The state Supreme Court slamming the door on Oklahoma's plan to fund the nation's first religious online charter school.
The nearly unanimous ruling says St. Isidore of Seville's contract is unconstitutional. But, as is the case with a lot of these things, the legal battle is far from over. John Hayes joins us in studio with details. John?
Kevin, Adria, opponents of the charter school relieved after months of long fighting, but the governor worried it sends the wrong message.
We are parents, we are people of faith, we are taxpayers, and we are just thrilled that the law was on our side today.
Reaction from opponents of the nation's potentially first publicly funded religious charter school, St. Isidore's Virtual Catholic School. Oklahoma's highest court siding against the idea in a 7-1 ruling Tuesday. The Chief Justice abstained. The majority stating the school would violate Oklahoma statutes, the Oklahoma Constitution, and the Establishment Clause.
Our founders of our Constitution specifically wrote our creationary documents to protect us from the government forcing religion upon us.
Aaron Brewer with the Oklahoma Parent Legislative Action Committee says the statewide virtual charter school board's decision to move forward with approving a contract with the school is what got us here. Her organization, other parents, faith leaders, and education advocates sued, calling it discriminatory.
That's wrong, and we'll continue to fight against that.
Attorney General Gentner Drummond also stepping in on behalf of Oklahoma taxpayers, leading to Tuesday's landmark ruling, calling the outcome a, quote, tremendous victory for religious liberty. He's at odds with Governor Kevin Stitt, who supports the school. The governor saying Tuesday, quote, I'm disappointed by A.G. Drummond's attack on religious liberty and the school choice movement, but I remain hopeful the U.S. Supreme Court will hear the case and grant St. Isidore's the right to establish their school.
We have some politicians in Oklahoma who don't understand the rule of law and our Constitution, and it's dangerous.
And Kevin and Adria, the legal team for the Virtual Charter School Board, are calling the ruling very disappointing and say they are considering all of their legal options. And Oklahoma State Superintendent of Instruction, Ryan Walters, responding to the ruling, saying in part, quote, once again, the Oklahoma Supreme Court got it wrong. The words separation of church and state do not appear in our Constitution. To be clear, the phrase separation of church and state do not appear in the Constitution. However, legal scholars agreed the idea is guaranteed within the First Amendment, where Thomas Jefferson wrote, quote, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion.